Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming you run the correct Windows edition and have at least one. 5 GB free. This avoids mid-install failures. Make a system restore point and a quick backup so you can revert if needed. Once done, connect to a stable network and temporarily disable third-party antivirus to prevent interference. Now open Control Panel and go straight to Windows Update. This is the single safest channel to obtain Service Pack 1 automatically and keep other updates aligned. You should run Windows Update and click Check for updates. Be patient while it enumerates available packages. When Service Pack 1 appears, select it along with recommended updates so dependencies install in the correct order. Click Install and let the system download all files. This can take time depending on speed and CPU. Make sure your laptop is plugged in and avoid restarting or shutting down during download and install, because interruption can corrupt the update process. When installation completes, you will be prompted to reboot. Allow multiple restarts and let Windows configure updates fully. After the final boot, check system properties to confirm Service Pack 1 is listed, then run Windows Update again to catch any post-SB1 patches. Make sure drivers still function and reinstall antivirus. If installation fails, one key troubleshooting step is to use System Restore to revert and then retry, or download the standalone SB1 package.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.